But you judging me. You do realize this recording and this is going in the video, right?
No, I'm the filmer.
Bro, get your ass up.
What's up, guys? We're back, man, and I'm gonna try doing something, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Right now, I have the Datsun off. Well, not yet, but it's gonna be on jack stands, and I'm gonna take off one of the wheels today, and the rest tomorrow. I'm gonna polish up the lip here, and then try to paint these. I mean, honestly, like I'm trying to film content for you guys, and like I don't really have too much, so I figured I'd try and do it. Got one of the wheels off. Finally. Probably just gonna do this one today, but I'll probably take off the other wheel. Just check out suspension. Probably something. I have no clue what suspension this thing's on. None. I can't find any parts for it, so. But it has a little bit of curb rash, which I might take to a wheel shop to get fixed. But it really bothered me how the front wheels, the color did not match. So I think I'm going to sand these down. Try to do the best that I can to paint these. But I don't know how it's going to come out. All I know is that this is going to clean up nice. And it's going to be nice and shiny. So, yeah, get to doing that. So, I tried cleaning this up a little bit, but it doesn't seem like this wheel's having the same effect on the other spot that I have in the last wheel. It's just, this one's in a lot rougher condition. I'm going to keep going at it for a little bit longer, but, so this is what it looks like. It's not terrible, but the other spot looks a lot better. It just seems like very damaged, and like, I'm not sure how to repair that. But that's how it looks now. And that's what the other ones look like. So it looks a lot better. It's just, I feel like I could get it a little bit further, a little bit better. But, and then also, these I'm going to clean up because I want to prevent any rust. Obviously, I don't want to snap a stud. So, especially this one right here, I'm going to get a wire brush. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get a wire brush and clean that all up. And then, probably once soon as I start doing that, start cleaning all this off, sanding it down, cleaning it off, and then get to painting. Yeah. So, I got the wheel off. I polished it up a little bit more. Now, I sanded it off camera just because like I wasn't sure how it was going to go. And I think, I mean, honestly, I never painted before. I don't even know if I'm doing this correctly. I think this is sanded down enough, and the paint should stick. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to use primer or not, but I'm going to do that, just because, like, I read a couple things, and they're like, yeah, you use primer, da-da-da-da-da, so, but, I'm going to try the best I can. I'm getting it prepped right now for some paint. I mean, like, obviously, so the paint doesn't go everywhere. So, I'm doing that right now. A little difficult, a little time consuming. But yeah, it's going, I mean, I'm just excited just for something different on the Datsun. Now, in the meantime, while I do that, I'm probably going to take, well, like some of the paint is drying, I'm probably going to, like, take a wire brush and just scrape, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, scrape all that off. So it's fully taped off. Now I think we're ready for some paint. The only thing I'm gonna do is just get that trash bag, rip it, and just make sure that it gets covered out. So it's not ready, but it's almost ready. But as soon as that gets done, then we will be good to go. Start throwing some primer, which I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do, but we'll figure that out. But yeah, I'm a little tired. It is like almost 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I needed to get this done because I need some content to post up on YouTube. I'm kind of lacking content right now until I can order some parts. But yeah, so get to painting. The wheel is now ready for paint. We finally covered off everything, and now hopefully I can do a decent job of doing this. This is my first time ever trying like paint a wheel, and especially with all these like crevices, sides here, I feel like it's gonna be pretty difficult. So yeah, well, let's get started, dude. I'm excited. Hopefully it comes out good. So the first coat of primer is on, and I'm just waiting for it to dry, honestly. I didn't really think about it. It's kind of late. It's already like 1 something, and am I tired? I'm really hoping this comes out well. If not, it is what it is. Just take it to a shop. So, it is now 2 a.m. in the morning. And I pretty much did all the coats of primer. I think I'm going to do one more just to be safe. And then I'm going to apply the paint. Now, I'm pretty sure it's going to look pretty similar to this. I'm like almost 100% sure. I might have done a little bit too much in that spot, but over here seems fine. That seems like it might have been a little too much. But that's okay. Because you live, you learn, you make mistakes, and you learn from it. But I'm probably going to do one last coat, and then finish this up in the morning, because this is a lot of work, and I'm exhausted. And it's very tedious. So, I'm going to do one more coat, and then I'll see you guys. What's up, guys? It's morning time. As you guys can see, sun is out, and yeah, we're back here, and the primer seems like it did pretty well. I think it has enough coats, so I think now it's time to actually get the paint on. Looks a little thin over here on like the sides and the inside over here, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. I think it's ready, and if it turns out like garbage, it turns out like garbage. There's not really much I can do about it. But I think it's coming out pretty good so far. And hopefully it stays that way. Might have to retape some of this. But I'm definitely gonna have to retape some of this. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get the other wheels done today. I don't think I will. But product, and honestly, I think it looks a lot better than what it used to. Yes, it may not be perfect, but definitely better. I hope the paint doesn't start lifting. I don't know if you can see that, but the tape kind of covered that up. Some of the edges didn't really fully get painted, but that's okay. That is okay. But I think it looks amazing. Now I'm going to try to get the other wheel off, see if you guys can see a comparison of what it would have looked like beforehand. I mean, obviously you guys saw it, but like next to each other, I think would be better. The difference is crazy in my opinion. Like, obviously it's a whole different paint. It's not the original paint anymore, but even the lip, like, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera, but even the lip, like, is just so much better. Even though it's not, like, to the point where I'd want it, but it's definitely a lot better. And I think the white is going to look great on the car. Now I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to test fit it on the car. No, not test fit it, but see what it looks like on the car. And then possibly start this one. But yeah, man, I think I did a pretty good job. I still have to put a clear coat on it, which I don't know if I will or not. I probably will. I just have to retape everything out, which kind of sucks, but it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, so that is the difference, and I think it's gonna look so much better on the car. Hey guys, so I'm actually editing this video right now, and I recorded this a very long time ago and realized I never made an outro, and I did one other wheel off camera, but then never ended up doing the rest because I ended up going a whole different route and I got busy and stuff. So, but yeah, no, I'm really hyped because this should be the last of the older videos. So I'm gonna be uploading some of the newer content that I have now, and in the next video, I'm actually super hyped because, and in the next video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys my new car that I got, my new daily. I got rid of the S10 for this car, and I love it, and I can't wait to start working on it and show you guys the process of what I want, process of getting it to where I want to be, basically. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Peace out.
Bitch, I gotta get the